Hey everybody, this is Tammy, the Fibonacci Princess, and tonight I want to give you an example of what a setup looks like in the Fibonacci room, okay? This is part of our trading plans and guidelines that we put out to you, and what we always tell you is what's written here in the upper left-hand corner. Setup plus trigger equals trade entry, and then you manage. Here's an example. Your setup is 130.63 to 130.82. You want to put your stop just underneath here. Now you can give it a little bit of wiggle room, but not too much. So that is your setup. Then you had your trigger on the 30-minute chart here, which is back here on the bottom left-hand corner. It's where the blue crossed the red. Okay, and an interesting thing to know and always remember is that we use the 8 and the 34 moving averages on an intraday chart. We use 513 250 on a daily chart. So your setup is going to be on the daily, but your trigger is going to be on an intraday time frame. So setup plus trigger, 8 crosses back over the 34. You enter the trade, and then you manage the trade. We are now at target 1, so if I was in this trade, I would be trailing up my stops, because it is now starting to get extended. Because we know that many moves tend to terminate at extensions, and those extensions are green because that is where we want you to take your money. So setup plus trigger equals trade entry, and then you manage. All right, everybody, that's what I've got for you tonight. I hope you have a wonderful rest of the day, and I'll talk to you soon. Thanks. Bye-bye.
Without simpler trading, I could not have financial independence.
This is one of the best investments I ever made in my life.
It's helping me find consistency.
It's one of the things that won me